Restore nature now! Restore nature now! Restore nature now! Restore nature now!
Doing it, the Restore Nature Now campaign sets out very clearly what that we need to be doing. We need to be cleaning up our seas, cleaning up our rivers. We need to be having a proper programme in place to restore the nature that has been lost. We're all for green energy, but let's not make nature pay the price for that. So
Restore nature now! 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 Restore nature now!
Under the current government, like the Minster Marshes stuff, where they're building like a massive power plant through one of the last big wild areas in that.
I want to see better active protection of the wild areas we have got, and I want to see farmers being really well supported to farm in a more nature-friendly way, and I want to see big companies being made to pay for the damage they're doing to our environment. I want to see these giant housing estates being built in a much more sensitive way for the environment with biodiversity features. There's so much I want to see and there's so little mention of it.